What's up? You checking out the frequent flyer, and I can't even tell you guys what this thing is. It's advertised, well, it was advertised with just some random name like top ranking or top model or something like that, and there were a couple of these different models by the same company, top ranking or whatever, but that was just a general name that they had for a lot of their quads or whatever the name was. I just call this my little beast thing. Couldn't really tell you exactly what it is, but we're gonna take it for a fly. I'm not even sure that it's going to fly for long because this little thing has an internal battery. You have to charge it. It's not a nano, it's not a micro either, it's the size in between. Looks really weird. It's my alien thing. It has little flashy lights and all. I'll take it up in the air so we can check it out. Hopefully it'll fly long enough for us to see it. I did charge it up, but this thing is a few years old, so this battery, I don't know if it's going to hold up pretty long. So let's get it up in the air. Not sure how long this thing is going to hold out. Hopefully it's level. So we're going to go straight to high rates with this thing. Check it out. Not even sure how long this thing is going to fly. It flies pretty good though. I have two of them actually. One of them I had a really bad crash with it. Smacked it into somebody's bumper actually. And fingers were everywhere. Check it out. It's a pretty cool little night flyer. It's a pusher. Getting my night fixed with a pusher. Well, I guess it's still good. Let's bring it in. You can have a look at it. Alien craft. Ah man, I didn't get to do any flips with it. I was just thinking about showing you guys how it flips, but it's flashing all crazy now. That means it's not going to flip anymore. It's ready to come down, and she's going down. Didn't even get to catch her, but I anticipated that this was going to be a short flight, so this is going to be a double dose. Got something else for you guys. Okay, so I have the little Maxtec out here, and this is actually a rebranded MJX model. I have the model name up on the screen here for you guys to see. That little alien craft thing was not deviated. This one is deviation compatible on MJX's protocol. So let's take it up. This little guy can get kind of squirrely on deviation because the pitch increases so much. And it's fast. Oh, looks like he's trying to tap out already. Got more out of the little ghoul alien craft than we did this guy. As you can see, it's a really nice flyer bell. I did charge this battery up, so I don't know if this is false warning or if the battery was just weak. It is cold out here too, a lot of different factors. But this guy's still moving though. You can see it's fast. And I'm just cruising with it. I'm not even pitching all the way. Keep them in close a little bit in case it really is the end of the battery. Wouldn't want anything crazy to happen to this little guy, being that I don't think you can get it anymore. Check out some funnels. I'm at full throttle. And so that's it. The Maxtec. Thanks for watching.